guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and today we are reviewing the best voice changer. Alright, that is software based that you guys can get right now, to prank your friends either on Discord, or do some TikTok videos or YouTube videos with voice changer if you don't want to use your own voice and you respect your own privacy, or you can use it to prank your friends or online players in an online game. So I think this is really interesting, and this is one of the by far the best voice changer I've seen on the market right now, and works so good that it can really trick people into thinking that you are actually another person. So today we are going to show you this software right here, which is called the iMyFone MagicMic, and it is the best real-time AI voice changer. Alright, so you heard this right, alright. So this thing implements AI into it to make your voice sounds even more real, alright, on the the item, the person or the cartoon or any entities that you want to mimic their voices. This is the best software for you. Alright, and most voice changers, they are really far behind in terms of like technology wise. Alright, most voice changer doesn't have AI included in it, alright, which make it a bit bad. Alright, and some voice changer is hardware based, and sometimes you have to pay like a absurd amount of money, and some voice changer doesn't have a preset voice, so you have to do it yourself. Alright, and but with this software you have access to a few thousands of voices. I'm gonna show you later. It's really crazy. Alright, and there's a lot of things you can do on this voice changer as well, and the best part is this thing has a real-time voice changer, so it's really cool that you can speak at the same time while someone else can hear you speak at the same time. So it's doing it in real time. It's not like pre-recorded like some other voice changer out there. Alright, so right now I'm gonna show you guys the software itself, different kind of voices that you can make, what kind of voices it has, and a few functionalities that this software has, which make it one of the best software that I recommend you guys to get if you are looking for the most comprehensive and the best voice changer in the world. Alright, so let me just go on to the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so this is the voice changer itself, and as you guys can see, alright, this is a really you can see there's a lot of voices that you can do on it. Alright, so if you go to all, scroll down, alright, there is so many people, cartoon characters, or anyone you can think of, any cartoon characters, any celebrities, right, or any other type of things that you can think of. Alright, they are all there. You want to be a monster, an alien, all these they also have. Alright, and they also have like some dog translator, cat translator. I don't know if this actually works or not, because I don't have a dog or cat, but I mean, if it worked, it will be incredible, right? So you can talk to your dog. But anyways, they have so many kinds of it, and they have very well categorized each and every one of it for you. So if you don't have to scroll the way down. If you're looking for a specific celebrity, just go to the celebrity tab on the top and just find the celebrity one. They have tons of celebrity, all is already preset for you, so you just need to click on it, alright, and you will have their voices. Okay, so you can be them. Alright, we have Margot Robbie, you have Tom Cruise, Barack Obama, Joe Biden as well. They have a lot of celebrities. Look at this, the US president, Michael Jackson, all this. Alright, so if you want, you can just download it, and those with the AI icon means it's enhanced by AI, so it sounds even better and much real. Alright, you have game character as well. You have male voices. If you're a guy, you want to become a female, you can use it to throw or prank your friends. Alright, really cool. But today I'm going to show you is the this is the RVC model, which is called a real voice changer. As you guys can see, you can do a real voice in real time, which I'm gonna show you with my favorite character, Doraemon. You guys know I'm wearing a Doraemon t-shirt as well over here. So how do you guys change your voice? You can see on the bottom here, alright, you have the option to hear yourself. So you want to hear how you actually sounds like. Okay, you can apply a voice changer, you can have a background sound effect, you can check your microphone, all this and that. So if you want this, my voice right now I'm using from the mic. If you want to change it in real time, all I just have to do is click on the Doraemon one. Okay, then click on apply voice changer.
Sound like Doraemon. Wait, so now I should sound like Doraemon. Because my voice is a bit deep, so it doesn't really, because if you have a normal voice, right, I think it will sound really cool. I think this sounds really cool at Doraemon. If you guys have actually watched the original Japanese Doraemon show, this is actually the Doraemon voice. Alright, let me try to mimic it. Alright, the only Japanese word I know is sayonara, daitajavu.
Okay, anyway, it's pretty cringe, but yeah, you can also do Mickey Mouse as well.
Mickey Mouse. It's nice to meet you guys. I'm Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, so it's really cool. Alright, it's doing it. It's translating in real time. Alright, it's not very low latency. That it's like a bit of delay. Probably I would say about 1 second delay after you speak. So yeah, it's not very instant, but it's very good enough. Other software it doesn't have some other voice changer software. It requires you to record it and they will change your voice. After that, you can use it to play like a soundboard, which is very lame. Alright, this one you can throw your friends because it's doing it in real time. Then they have so many kind of preset model and they are always updating it with a new character, so you don't have to worry with this one. Alright, right now they also have this, which is quite a lot already. So if you have this software, if you come check in every time, you can see they have added new voices. So yeah, this software is very awesome. Alright, the developers behind this software, they are putting into the work, alright, every time, constantly updating it with new voices. Alright, and also other than changing voice, alright, this voice changer software, also this MagicMic software also has a soundboard. Okay, so what does a soundboard does is basically it makes certain noise, like maybe, okay, for example, let's find okay, so maybe like you did something cool and awesome, or your friend did something cool and you want play a soundboard. Just click on the Batman one, for example, or you can do like, right, so you can do a lot of other sound effects, like
Mario.
something like that is really cool. Alright, so yeah, they also have soundboard for you, film, alright, April Fools, right, can make some chicken noise, games. They have a lot actually, you see. Right, so if you are purchasing this software, right, you not only get access to the voice box, alright, the voice changer, you also get access to soundboard with different sound effect, which is really cool. You can use it for your videos as well. If you are doing videos or live streaming, you can use it as well. They have Halloween, and they have a lot more. Look at how many categories are there. So there's over a few thousands of different sounds and soundboards that you can use. Alright, but if if all the sound, right, I'm pretty sure there's definitely, alright, all the things, all the characters, anyone you want to change your voice to, it is right here. But sometimes if you want to tune it a bit, alright, you also have the voice studio where you can create your very own voice. Okay, so if you are a person that knows how to actually tune with all these like EQ, high pass, all these, which I have zero knowledge of, but if you know how to actually tweak it and tune it, you can create your very own voice, or you can clone your friend's voice if you know how to do it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can customize your own voice, right? Yeah, so if any voice you have doesn't have the one that you want, you can always customize it over here. And also have various settings for you to set your output, which microphone to use. Alright, they also have like toolbox, mobile controller, all this, alright, all the additional functions. But they have all these three functions all for you in one software itself. Very cool. Alright, not and all the software I see on the market doesn't have all these three together. Alright, it's either they have you paid for the voice changer, you get a voice changer. You pay for a soundboard, you get a soundboard. If you want a soundboard, you have to pay extra, this and that. Right? And this is one of the software that I found which have the most amount of preset voices you can find. Alright, most of the voice changer software I've used in the past, they only have like a certain amount, about like those a few favorite characters, like like you saw, like Mickey Mouse, Donald Trump voices, all this. But this one have every single character that you can think of is over here. Even my favorite Doraemon is over here. You can be
am the K-pop star Jungkook. Yeah, it's nice to meet you guys. Okay, just make use of this voice to prank your girlfriend, thinking that, it's Jungkook talking to you or talking to her.
Yeah, it's really cool. Okay, and adjust the volume, you can add to favorites, all this. They have so many. Right, and you also can okay, let me just show you something. Okay, you also can manually adjust the pitch if you don't like it. Let me just go back to my Doraemon. Okay, this is my favorite. Okay, Doraemon is selected. Okay, if you click on this arrow right here, okay, you can adjust your own pitch. So if you find the pitch is a bit, a bit out, you can just manually slide the slider to adjust it. You can record your voice change, so you can have some preset voices as well. You can add a key bind to it, so when you hit that key, you change into that voice instantly. You don't have to open up this software to click on this, click on that. You can add a key bind if you use this Doraemon voice changer the most, or just add a key bind to it. You can add any key bind you want. You can add like this key bind, okay. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. Okay, so you automatically change to this voice. So it's really cool. Okay, okay, add keyboard, all this, and also if you don't want to use the voice studio one, which you find a bit too much stuff, alright, too technical, you can use this. This is the basic one where you can have also create your own voice with just volume, pitch, vocal length, vocal width. You can just create your own one from here as well. It will be much simpler. Okay, but if you are a professional, you can always go with this. So yeah, this is one of the best voice changer that I can find in the market right now, and it's one of the best I've been using for a long time to prank my friends, all this and that. So this is the best voice changer that you should get if you are looking for the a very comprehensive voice changer. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. Once again, if you want to check out this voice changer, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out and get it for yourself. You guys can download it for free, but if you guys want the real-time voice changer thing, you guys have to pay a premium for it, but it's very worth it. Alright, you get all these functionalities, a lot more characters will be unlocked if you get the paid version, and it's so worth it that I recommend you guys definitely paying for it. Alright, definitely pay for it because it is very worth it. But if you guys want to try out and see how it works, how it sounds, you can always download it for free to try out. But I would highly recommend you guys to purchase the premium because it's very worth it. You get so many things all at once. Alright, so yeah, once again, I'll link this voice changer in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Just click on it and have fun with it, and throw your friend, prank your friends, do whatever you want with it. It will be really awesome. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find this video really interesting, let me know in the comment section as well. Alright, and if you want more video like this, also let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.